Ever wondered about creating your own beauty products? Well, the world of DIY beauty products isn't as daunting as it may seem, especially when you've got nature's bounty at your disposal. Think of all the benefits of using natural ingredients that are free of harsh chemicals and preservatives. Today, we'll delve into the realm of aloe vera-based products, a wonder plant with numerous skin benefits. So, prepare to discover the magic of aloe vera and the wonders it can do for your skin. Why aloe vera, you ask? Well, aloe vera is a wonder plant that has been celebrated for centuries for its skin health benefits. It's packed with antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins A and C, and it's highly anti-inflammatory. Its soothing properties can help with burns, acne, and dry skin. From ancient Egypt to your local drugstore, aloe vera has earned its place in the skincare Hall of Fame. With such amazing properties, aloe vera is indeed a skincare superstar. Ready to create a soothing aloe vera mask? Let's dive right in. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a fresh aloe vera leaf, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a dash of turmeric. Now, why these ingredients? Well, aloe vera is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural moisturizer and antioxidant. Turmeric adds a glow to your skin and can help reduce acne. Start by extracting the gel from the aloe vera leaf. Blend it well until it reaches a smooth consistency. Add in your honey and turmeric, mixing until all the ingredients are well combined. Once your mixture is ready, apply it evenly on your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for about 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Voila! Your homemade aloe vera mask is ready to nourish your skin. Feel the natural magic working wonders on your face? Next up, a refreshing aloe vera gel. Head into your kitchen and grab a fresh aloe leaf. Gently extract the clear, gooey substance inside. This is your base, packed with soothing and healing properties. Blend this with a dash of vitamin E oil, an antioxidant powerhouse that fights off skin-damaging free radicals. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice adds a brightening touch and natural preservative. Stir until smooth and voila, and there you have it, a hydrating aloe vera gel made by you for you. A quick recap on our aloe vera skincare journey. We've discovered the magic of aloe vera, the green gem of nature. We've delved into the creation of a nourishing aloe vera mask and a soothing gel, using simple ingredients right from our kitchens. The benefits? Hydration, nourishment, and the satisfaction of creating your own skincare products. Remember, the steps are simple, the results remarkable. Take the first step towards natural skincare with these homemade aloe vera beauty products. Your skin will thank you.